Hey everybody, Jillian here. Welcome back to my channel. I've got a brand new Bible journaling process video. Today I am going to be journaling through the brand new Illustrated Faith Devotional Come and Carol. And so today I'm going to be journaling the song, The Proof of Your Love from For King and Country. Not necessarily a Christmas song per se, but certainly timely for me. So I have some of the lyrics written out here on the facing page, and I'm going to be journaling here in 1 Corinthians 13. So real quick, I'll show you what I've got in my tray. Pretty much the Come and Carol kit from Illustrated Faith, some older stamp sets from my stash, and then printables from the Print and Pray shop, including this really fun set called Advent ticket stubs from Shauna Klingerman. So I have a couple other random things pulled from the Print and Pray shop too. And then I have one of Shauna Noel's older highlight brushes. I think I may use one of these to highlight the text for today. So sticking to a pink and red and this teal color scheme. The title for my page is going to be something like The Proof of Your Love. So I have a folder full of printables that are all words. And so I went through there and pulled out a couple of options for the word love to build my title, The Proof of Your Love. That's as far ahead as I've thought. So let's see what happens together here. All right, so first I'm gonna take a sip of my bubbly. I think I'm getting my son's cold. We are just very generous with the preschool germs here, so gotta stay hydrated. I'm gonna go ahead and start by cutting out the things I know I'm gonna use, including some of the song lyrics printed on this jumbo grid label from Elaine in the Print and Pray shop. These are from November, but I really liked the red, thought it went well here. And it actually wasn't until I listened to this song and read the lyrics as I listened that I actually learned what the real lyrics are. I used to sing along to this song in the car, and I didn't notice until today that I was totally singing the wrong thing. So it was pretty cool to see what they actually wrote. It's a really good song. So I have my pieces printed out here. I've got a couple of things from the Come and Carol kit, like the stamp set and the alpha stickers from Felicity Jane that were included there. So I'm trying to figure out where I want these song lyrics to live. I'm going to layer them on top of this paintbrush highlight here. And I'm very carefully going to peel back the release paper and stick it over the first few verses in chapter 13. The cool thing about these is printed on clear sticker paper, you can still read the text underneath, so that's always nice. I'm trying to get it into the spine of my Bible here, but I don't have a paint card handy. That's what I would normally use, so I'm trying things like a ruler, which was too big, and then a stamp set, and somehow it ended up working and I got that nestled down in there. There were a couple of washi options that I was considering. I really like the washi from the Come and Carol kit, but the colors weren't quite what I was going for, so I ended up using this black and white buffalo check washi. I'll link something similar down in the video description below, but I wanted to put that on my desk before I forgot to use it. Really quick, I'll go ahead and read the first few verses of chapter 13 in 1 Corinthians while I'm building my title here. Paul says, "If I speak in the tongues of men or of angels, but do not have love, I am only a resounding gong or a clanging cymbal. If I have the gift of prophecy and can fathom all mysteries and all knowledge, and if I have faith that can move mountains but do not have love, I am nothing." So the lyric that I have typed up here on this card says, "If I speak with a silver tongue, convince a crowd, but don't have love, I leave a bitter taste with every word I say. So let my life be the proof of your love." That was the most relevant lyric in the song for me, and so I wanted to be sure to include that here. Then I'll go ahead and get down the alpha stickers for my title, and then I'm going to use these little wooden block alpha stamps to get down those smaller words. And I thought it would be fun to kind of mix it up, since I didn't leave myself much room here, to stamp these vertically. They fit great, it looks different. I like it. So before I layer that washi tape under the label, I want to use some of these really pretty stickers from the new collection Snowflake from Crate Paper. I pulled out the more neutral things like the stars with the gold foiling on them and the snowflakes. I thought those would be a nice neutral to add to this page. I'm going to go ahead and add Shauna Klingerman's Advent ticket stub. I only used the top half of it because I felt like it was so large, and you could pretty much tell that it's the number 3. At least I could. By even though I only included the top half. So I layered that with some more of this buffalo check washi tape. I'll add one of these cardstock stickers from the Snowflake line. I let most of it hang off the page and just trimmed off the excess and added it in another spot on my page. And then I'll go in with these like gold foil little star stickers, and just to have the gold in like 3 places on my page. Again, this is an older tab from a previous Christmas line with Illustrated Faith. So the red was a great match for the label. I found a wordfetti that says love, and then I'm going to put that up at the top. So really, you don't necessarily need any of this stuff to create a page similar to this. It's kind of about just identifying a color scheme that you want to use, a jumping off point in your Bible, and then shop your stash to see what you have. That's one of my favorite ways to Bible journal. One of the last things that I'll do is add my date stamp with the Studio Calico Mega Date Stamp. I thought it would be fun to use these pink brackets from that Felicity Jane Alpha sheet. So I'll just go ahead and add that down at the bottom, bring some of that pink down there. And then one of the lyrics that I really wanted to pull out from this song, they say it over and over again, is "Love is a sacrifice." It's a really great song. I hope you guys will give it a listen. One last thing I'll do off camera here is add some of these stamps from the Come and Carol Devotional Kit stamp set. And that's gonna do it. So here's a finished look at my page. Thank you guys for watching. I can't wait to see everyone's Advent pages as they start making them. You can follow along with the Illustrated Faith Come and Carol Devotional Kit by using #IF_Christmas2019. It's going to be great. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.